In this video, I will show you how I can translate anything with Gemini AI. Today we will go into the España news just for example. So we copy our text that we want to translate, we copy it and we paste it in here. We type in our prompt that we want to translate the text to English. I'll just add 2 dashes so it knows what to translate. So right here you can see it has translated this. So if we want, we can also do like this. We want to translate, we can take a screenshot and drag the photo in here. We can also click on add files and we can upload our own files. And then we type in the prompt, translate. You see now it's thinking. It's because it's analyzing the picture. So anyway, when this is done analyzing the picture, this will come out with a text just like this and analyze what this is. So this is how you translate anything with Gemini AI.